Good morning, traders. It is November the 19th, Thursday. So let's look at our watch list. I would have had this up last night, but I decided to wait until this morning. It's about 6 a.m. Eastern time. So right now the futures are up almost 8 handles. Crude is also up about 20 cents as well. So it's like we might rip again. With that said, sorry, that's the chart of Boeing. I'll come back to that one. So we've got Spoos that made a nice run yesterday. So let's see. Looking at about the 21. I'll just tag this kind of right here. So 21.1650. All right, that's the level to watch. You get past that, and you might bust this 21.34. Okay, so that's what to look for. That was a nice big candle yesterday. So let's go through what I am looking at for today. RCL. This one, as you can see, had trended quite a bit. My only thing is with this one, I mean, it really didn't make a move yesterday compared to the market the last 2 or 3 days. So I'm actually thinking this one might start a bearish turn right here. So as you can see, came on up, held the 50 right here, came on up. We might have a moving average crossover right here. So if we get another down day, I'm going to look for a reversal of the trend to go down on Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. Okay, next one, EXPE, Expedia. I've had this one on watch for 2 or 3 days, saying watch once it got down below this 50, watch for a reversal candle to come back up. I got that green candle yesterday, so I got long Expedia. I am looking to add to this position because this one has been down for quite a bit. So we'll see how that one plays out. Price line held up. As you can see, it's held this trend line right here quite well. Okay, that was that down day on Monday. Yesterday came on back up, so let's kind of watch that one for all of the other internet travel sites. You can see the candle that Trip put in yesterday. I really don't like this chart on Trip, but I will say this: if you start getting on up in here, and it can get over that resistance, boy, Trip could really fly. Okay. All right. What's the next one? Baidu. Baidu. Some people would say they don't really like this one. I actually like it because it came down, held that ADMA, put in a nice candle yesterday. Okay, so next stop is to try to get over this resistance here and this one. So basically 210 we need to get over. Then next stop will be, say, 214. So 210, then 214, and then trying to continue to push higher. So closed at the highs of the day yesterday as well. So I really like that in Baidu. Next one is INTC. I like this one because I've got a couple of fib retracements drawn. This thing has come up, came down, held that 50-day moving average, and started to bounce and come on back up. So I actually like this one for a little bit more to the long side. Next ticker is Celgene. Celgene has had a good run from 3 days. As you can see, it was up here around 128, came all the way back down to touch about a 105, 106 level. So that's a nice little run there. This ADMA is starting to curl back up, so I wouldn't be surprised for this one to keep on pushing. So I really like Celgene a lot. I'll keep my eye on that one and see how that one plays out. The next one is BMRN. BMRN is so funny because I want to say it had an upgrade and something else, and it still didn't push that much yesterday, but it held this trend line. So as long as that trend line holds, BMRN could take off. So I'm really watching that one to see. We've got a little bit of consolidation, as I like to call it, right here. So if this thing can catch a bid and push higher, I really like BMRN to the long side. Next one is VRTX. So I had this trend line drawn a while back. I can actually remove it, but as you can see, man, those are some really nice candles right there. I wish I could have gotten this around here. That was pay dirt. But anyway, I do like this one on any pullback because now we sort of got our little bottom trend line going right here. Okay, so another one to watch. If we can get a pullback, say around 120 or so, I actually like that one long as well. Okay. Next one, good old buddy of mine, Starbucks. Starbucks, as you can see, had that long uptrend. Well, market correction right there, or market pullback if you want to call it. So now Starbucks has come back, touched that 50 again, and starting to take off again. So I missed the train on this one yesterday. I'm trying to see how the rest of the week folds out. If we can get a pullback 1 or 2 days, I'm probably going to grab Starbucks long. A chart that I really like is Rockwell Collins. Rockwell Collins, I've had this one on watch for a couple of days, and I kept thinking the market might pull back before it went higher. I was a fool because it actually went higher. Had that big candle right there, should have just kept on and followed it. But anyway, Rockwell got over this resistance right here of 89. I really like that because now it's pushing 90, so I'm hoping for a pullback, and I'm going to take Rockwell to the long side. Okay. And the last one that I have on watch this morning is Boeing, BA. Now I played BA when it touched this retracement right here, came on back down, and I got out just right on time. Boy, I should have reversed because here it comes, 4 days back up. We're about to touch this resistance right here again. So any little pullback in Boeing, I may go long on it as well. Okay, that's just about what I have. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this morning. We'll see what else opens up. Let's have a quick look at Netflix. Netflix just been on a tear. Okay, that train left without me when we had this bullish engulfing candle that I called out on Monday. Okay, still, had you just jumped in the next morning, I mean, you would have made bank. Okay, that was what, a pretty much $8 move almost. Yeah, that would have been real nice. The other one was Facebook, which I like to play intraday. Facebook did the same thing, came down, touched that level as I said on Monday, and it just flew off. Okay. LinkedIn still holding up well, so we'll see how that one plays out. And Google still holding up well also. Anyway, we're going into expiration Friday tomorrow, so there may be a little bit of pullback today. I don't know, but right now the market's up 8.25 handles, so looks like we might be trying to race for new all-time highs, so we'll see how that plays out. Anyway, good luck. Happy trading, folks. Peace.